Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp, also cards in any shape. Today's video, I'm going to share with you guys one awesome product I found from the dollar store. As a paper crafter, I work with paper all the time, and then I found out this product is actually very useful. If you are a paper crafter, I think you got to have this item. So it's a glue removers. So I found out these glue removers actually it worked very well. I paid $4.50 and I got it from the Dollarama. Dollarama is a Canadian brand dollar store and it is located everywhere. So this one is it just works so well, and I will show you. We are going to do some experiment. So I know a lot of you guys probably try this undo remover. I think this is actually a great product, but the only thing is this is a very smelly. I'm kind of sensitive of the smell, so usually I get a headache all the time. And then by the way is run out, so I don't have anymore. And I was looking for some glue remover, and I think I found the replacement. Okay, so we're going to do run some tests. This is acetate, and I use double-sided tape on the cardstock. And this is a one-piece laminated sheet I usually use when I do the stencil or color with alcohol markers. I love VersaFine, but the VersaFine is so easy to clean when it's on the stamp. But when it's on the other surface, it is a little bit hard to clean. So I usually have a laminated sheet when I use alcohol markers, or when I using like a blending magic mushroom, so to prevent my table get dirty. And then this is what it looks like. I actually put a little bit white glue on top because I want to show you how well this glue remover can do. So we're going to use a sanitize to clean the alcohol stroke. So alcohol marker, definitely use an alcohol sanitizer. You can very easily clean the those brown stroke. This is just sanitize. So if you are working with alcohol markers, usually they will bleed through to your paper. So just use the sanitize. Is very easy to clean. And then you can see the sanitizer cannot clean the VersaFine, cannot clean the glue. Only they clean well with the alcohol markers. So I use these VersaMark when I do the stencil. I usually working on piece laminated sheets. I don't really work directly on my table because usually if my table surface get dirty, my artwork always get dirty. So that's a try to find out, see how these glue remover work. So I am using this glue remover, and then I am going to just spray some on my table. So on my laminated sheet, you can see how easy I can clean it. Okay, so this glue remover actually can clean these alcohol markers too, but I put a little bit glue on top of these laminated sheets, so on the paper you can see there's still some alcohol marker remain there. Okay, so this glue remover actually can clean the alcohol markers too, but because I put some thicker glue on top of these laminated sheets, so alcohol marker is actually under that glue. So I'm going to spray a little bit more glue remover on top, and then let it set a little bit. Okay, and then so after I spray some of the glue remover on my acetate, I'm going to use this little spatula to kind of scrape those glue, and you can see even the glue has been sitting on these laminated sheets for a while, but I can easily to scrape off those glue. It won't be a big problem. So this glue remover is just work like an undo. So for the light work, unless you have a very like a stubborn glue stick on somewhere, I will just use this glue for the light job, not like a very heavy cleaning job. Okay, so you can see it's very easy to scrape all the glue which was setting on this acetate for a while. So I just use a Kleenex to clean my spatula. I have no problem to clean the whole sheet. Okay, so now let's try on our paper product. Let's try on the card. So this is one of my cards in any shape project, and I use this acetate create easel to hold the card. So it's seeing through, and I use double side tape. And then I just want to show you how is that possible to remove it. So we don't usually do this because we usually try to minimize or boo-boo, right? Okay, so if you have used this undo before, like mine is finished, I still keep the bottles. I can just fill it up that bottle with my glue remover, the one I got from the dollar store, and I can use that head to clean to remove my tape, right? But if you don't have that bottle, what you're gonna do is I'm using this little spatula. I think you can find it from the dollar store. Just try to find the gap and this insert this spatula in the between, and then we are going to just spray a little bit on top of your spatula, and then don't holding your spatula on top of your paper, okay? Try to keep it away. And then we just insert this one. You can see how easily we remove that tape. If you can't find this little spatula, what you can do, you can go have ice cream, use those ice cream little scoop spoon. I think that will do the same thing. It will do the job. Like I say, this glue remover we are just using for just our backup plan. Try to make your card right, but if sometime you just made a mistake to put your card upside down, I think this glue remover is helping you to remove that one. So you can see I still have some mark on my back of your card because we did place the glue over there, right? And then on the acetate, you can remove two. If you want to remove two, you can try to peel off, or you can just put a little bit glue remover. And then I found out if we let it set for a little bit, it's easier to peel it off. So let's see this one. There you go. So you can see I can pick up the whole strip. Okay, so we're going to try another card project. So this is on the paper on paper. So you can see they actually stick pretty tight. And I think this card I made like 2 years ago on the Alaska cruise. So remember, this glue remover is just your backup plan. Don't count on it. If you made a mistake, try to correct it right away, and you can put this glue remover. You can easily remove it. But like I say, it's just the backup plan. So I use this little spatula and I try to find a gap, and then I'm going to just spray some glue on top of that spatula. Okay, and then don't see, you can see my paper pick up some glue remover, right? It's not going to affect or leave the stain on your card. This is just a regular dye-based ink, so it won't bleed. I don't know about the watercolor, but so far this is dye-based ink pack, and I just use my spatula, try to reach to the center center, and then you do have to spray a little bit remover once a while, and then just working from all four corners to the center, and then it really depends on how much glue you put. If it's a double side tape, it's very easy to remove it, but if you use like a clear glue or white glue, it's going to be a little bit challenging, so it's probably will damage your car before to remove the whole front car. So like I say, this is just a backup plan for the light work. If you want to clean some stain or glue stain on your table, is a great product because you can really like remove it, but working on the paper, you got to be a little bit gentle, like, and if you put too much like a liquid glue, you probably won't be able to do that. So this glue remover work well on the double side tape, and then I can actually pick it up like a 90% and then without damage the car. It's doable. So without this glue remover, you probably won't be able to remove your front page, and then it's only $4.50, and then I think it is worth it to invest the money to have this glue remover. You never know. So this is what it looks like in my bag, and don't worry about that stain because after dry they will completely disappear. So this is something I found from the dollar store, and I think it worked well for me, but that's just my personal opinion. Like this undo is work well too, and then but the smell kind of bothers me, and also is more expensive than the glue remover. So I hope next time when you go to the dollar store you can check it out, and then remember they work very well on the double side tape. But if you are using the liquid glue, you might have a little bit hard time to remove it unless you are going to soak it. So this is the one I put a lot of white glue, but I am not able to remove it. So I think I probably have to completely soak that half page of the cardstock. Maybe I'm able to remove it, but what's the point, right? So like I say in the beginning of the video, try to avoid it. If you made a boo-boo, you can use this one to fix it, but try to do it right in the beginning. So I think this glue remover and with this little spatula is work well, and why don't you to give a try and let me know what you think. So thank you so much for watching. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. See you in next video. Bye guys.